In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use an EBT card on Amazon. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, what you have to do is you either go to www.amazon.com/EBT on a web browser and you will be immediately redirected to this page, or you can simply look for EBT at the search bar and you should get this. What can I buy using a Snap EBT card in Amazon? Regardless, simply go to the URL I mentioned, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you can select Add your Snap EBT card. Immediately on this page, as long as you are signed into your Amazon account, you can enter your EBT card number as a payment method and continue. Now, when you find any items that are eligible for a purchase using an EBT card, you can proceed with the purchase using the payment method you added on that page. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an EBT card on Amazon. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.